back to Shelly's Homemade, and today guys we're going to be making a southern old school macaroni salad. So for this macaroni salad you will need half of a small onion, a quarter of this beautiful green bell pepper, one celery stalk. This is 8 ounces, so you're going to need 4 ounces of this cheese cubed up, guys. Cubed up. You're going to need some parsley, Shelly's house seasoning, salt, pepper, seasonal, garlic, onion powder. You're going to need some elbow macaroni noodles. You're going to need some sweet peas. You're going to need 2 cans of tuna. Of course, you're going to need some mayo and some mustard, guys. So, I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to chop everything up, and when we come back, we're going to make an amazing old school southern style macaroni salad. Okay, so everything has been chopped up, ready to go. First things first, we're going to add onions and celery and green peppers. Okay, that looks like it's enough. Yep. Out of the way. Mix that in. That's definitely enough. That is beautiful, guys. I'm gonna add our eggs, and if I didn't mention, these 6 boiled eggs. That. Now let's add our tuna, guys. Tuna. I'm going to add the peas last only because I want to make the salad, because my husband doesn't eat peas, but everybody else does. So I'm just going to scoop his section out, then I'm going to add the peas. I have drained the tuna already. Open the cans up. Make life so very easy at this moment. Just mix the tuna in really well. 2 cans is just perfect for this salad. And this is a quick salad, guys. Really, really quick. Let's add the cheese. Boom. I'm going to snap on one of them. My mom, she's from the country. She used to make this salad for us all the time. What I'm going to do before I add that, I'm going to add my pinch of sugar just to balance out the flavor. Nothing to make it sweet, just to balance that flavor. And we're going to add our Shelly's house seasoning, 3.5 tablespoons. Mix it in. Or just keep sprinkling until, you know, your ancestors tell you not to stop. You know, reach into your country roots, honey. Alright? Starting up just like hers. Except we're missing the peas and the parsley. Like I said, Shelly's house seasoning works on everything, like everything. It's a balance of flavor, it's a balance of seasoning that flavors everything. That way, when you go in the cabinet, you don't have to pull out all those seasoning. You just got it right there. Yeah. Oh, crap. Guess I should have shook it up some more. That's alright. just the vinegar of the mustard that went down. Let's just add our mayo. And that was like 2 tablespoons of mayo. This is about a cup and a half. I mean, a cup and a half of mayo and 2 tablespoons of mustard, guys. And again, we'll taste it for flavor and adjust seasoning as needed. Looks wonderful already, guys. Look at that. Old school, southern style macaroni salad, guys. If you ain't never had this, guys, make this. I promise you, guys. You're gonna want to keep eating this. You're gonna want the whole bowl for yourself. Hey, yeah. That girl Shelly in there doing her thing. I gotta watch all her videos to get all those recipes. Oh yeah. Get in there. And get on it. Look at this. Amazing. Amazing. Just like this, before I even add my peas. But we're gonna add those peas. First, we're gonna give it a taste. Give it a taste. Oh, that is amazing. I might add a little more sugar there. A little bit more. Do some balancing. We don't need any more mustard. We don't need any more mayo. We just need to balance out that seasoning, guys, that we put in here. Alright, so I've washed off my spoon. I'll give it another try. Okay. Okay. Talking to me. It says hello. Nice to meet ya. How you doing? But it's still not balanced, guys. I'm sorry. Sometimes with a little bit goes. I guess it depends on how it is. Just adjusting the flavors. Maybe because this time I used tuna and olive oil instead of in water, because that was all they had. I couldn't be throwing me off. Another try. Okay. Much better, a whole lot better. It was good, but it wasn't balanced, you know? Alright. Well, this is what it is. I'm going to take some out, put into a bowl for my husband. For the man that doesn't eat peas. I don't understand. But he don't like it, he don't like it. Alright. That's enough. Him. That over there. Now it's time to add our wonderful, luxurious can of peas whole thing, guys. That whole thing. Look at that. Give it another try with the peas that's been added. Oh yeah, baby. I'm dancing, dancing, dancing. Woo! I'm a dance machine. Oh man, absolutely amazing, guys. Yep. Make this, guys. Give it a try. Just, so good. I can't wait to get into it. Can't wait to get into it. I'm telling you. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on my social medias, which is down below. All the recipes and all the ingredients to this recipe are going to be in the description box, along with a thank you note. Alright, guys. Guess what? I'm going to see you in the next video.